Oh my god. It's warm already. Alright guys, I don't know if I should roll the windows up or not, if I'm just gonna be yapping. Like, I love how the car sounds, but I feel like if I'm just talking, I should a little bit. So I'll roll them up for now. Later I'll probably do a few pulls, have some fun, have the windows down. Anyway, so something I really want to emphasize, guys, and this, yes, part of this is me trying to get more views on this video for better retention, because honestly, I'm still working my ass off. I'm trying to grow this channel, and I'm trying to make YouTube another source of income. If you cannot sit through this video and stay disciplined about that, I really don't know how you're going to stay disciplined with anything else, because this is some of the most important information I can give you guys. Yes, it has some of my backstory in it, but it's really just me relating to you guys and showing that you can do it too. So stay till the end, really take this to heart, and I swear you will get somewhere within the next few years, guaranteed. And no, it's not going to be quick money like people are advertising. It's really discipline and hard work that'll get you there, but you'll get there. I'm telling you, you will get there. So obviously you guys see I'm 19. I have the car, I have the watch now as of yesterday. I have a Corvette that is currently in the shop because it fucking blew up. And when you guys see that, you probably think I come from money. You probably think that either my parents bought me this car, you think that I didn't get it on my own, because to be honest, it's kind of crazy. Even to me, it's kind of crazy because I'm very not used to this. So let me give you guys a little bit of backstory, right? A few years ago, my family and I were homeless, and we just recently moved into this new house. Now, even after we did that, we still couldn't really pay rent that much. Fast forward to now, everything's good. I'm making a lot more money. My mom's making a lot more money. We're all doing a lot better as a whole. But being in that position and being homeless, living in a car for a year almost, made me really never want to be in that position again. And it also made it so I never want any of my friends or anyone I know to be in that position again. Don't cut me off, and you cut me off. What and why, dude? Anyways, it led me to work really hard and get into e-com. Now, the e-com business model I chose was dropshipping, because I didn't have much money at the time, and you really didn't need much to start with. I started with 500 bucks, which is really all I needed to get here. I've transformed $500 into hundreds of thousands of dollars, and probably millions pretty soon. You always see these videos like the one I'm making right now. You think, oh, it's gonna motivate me. I see this guy doing this, why can't I do this too? But it really comes down to discipline, because all that you get with that is just that 3 a.m. motivation that's gonna disappear in a few hours, or maybe a few days. But what really matters most is discipline. Now, I kind of just want to make this video because I want to tell you guys to lock the fuck in. I have a lot of friends that I really wanted to help dropship before, but none of them would put in the work. I told them I'd pay for their ads. I told them I'd help them find products. I told them I'd help them make their ads. I do like half the work for them, and just a little bit of work they wouldn't put in, and it really broke my heart. So I'm really trying to find a community of people that just want to work hard and make each other better, because that's the life I'm trying to live, bro. I mean, this life is so crazy compared to what we were doing like 5-10 months ago. It's just so different, and I think in 5-10 months things will change way more anyways. There's this quote, or not really a quote, but there's this saying from this YouTube video I watched a while ago, and what he said is, oh shoot, sorry. And what he said is pretty much, in a year from now, your life will be different no matter what. It will not be the same. It can be better, it can be worse, or it can be pretty similar to where you're at now, but something will always be different. And that difference is up to you to make. So either you work your ass off and make your life amazing, or you sit on your ass and do nothing, and it gets worse. Or you continue the pattern and nothing changes that much. And the one thing I decided for myself is within a year, I wanted things to change. And look where it got me. Alright, let's see, where am I going? This big ass speed bump, damn. And yes, even though we got money now, still eating Taco Bell. Actually, Taco Bell expensive, bro. It's not even like cheap fast food. This shit is not cheap. Oh my god, am I gonna scrape on this? My car thinks I am. but I am not. And I just kind of wanted to bring you guys on this little journey with me and show you guys how I do this, because I want you guys to do this too. I don't know how many times I can emphasize it, I don't know how many times I can say it, but the feeling of getting that first sale, bro, and every sale throughout the day is so different to what you're probably used to.
Alright, forward.
Awesome, thank you. Bro, the sounds of this car are just, how am I fitting through that? This guy barely fits through that, and this car is wide as hell. Let me get a phone camera, because I don't know if you guys can see this on the little thing I have. Boys, how am I supposed to fit through that? He barely fits, look at that. And I'm in a fucking McLaren. It's just wider. Oh god, this is so cooked. Oh my god. Alright, let me lock in. Oh my god. We clear it easily. Let's go. Well, I look stupid as fuck right now, but we about to go in this drive-thru. The other thing about this car is you can't really reach the people in the fucking window. Hello. How are you? Awesome. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh, you too. Have a nice night. Man. Not the car for this. Seeing that guy in there, and like, this is not trying to be rude or anything, seeing that guy in there really reminded me of my old self that it was. I mean, I worked a minimum wage job before I started dropshipping, and it really wasn't the place that I wanted to be in. I mean, I would work minimum wage, and all those dollars that I made by working my ass off for like 8 hours a day literally just went back into ads, and I can't see because of you, and I'd lose it all after one day. It was stupid. So when I started dropshipping, it wasn't even because I had some sort of crazy realization that, oh, I want to make money for this or this. It's like, dude, it was honestly because when I saw how my whole entire paycheck just disappeared after one day of what could be making me so much more, it made me realize that this is so stupid. I'm working all these hours for such a little paycheck, and that's not the place I wanted to be in. That's not the place I want you guys to be in. And it's not the place that anyone should be in, you know? And I know that's stupid, but I had a little bit of money saved up, and I just put that all into it, and it fucking worked. Because the thing about dropshipping, and honestly all e-com in general, or all businesses in general, it's that you need discipline. Now, you could be the best at what you do. Let's say you wanted to do day trading. You could be the best with the most innate talent of anyone in this world to be able to read the charts and trade profitably. But if you don't have any discipline at all, you're gonna fuck that up. And the same goes with any business. Dropshipping, and let's say you only work for like 3 days, you get no results, and you quit because it was that 3 a.m. motivation you're relying on, and you're not gonna get anywhere. But you could have been literally the best person in the world at that, and you would have no clue. So I really mean this, guys. Stay fucking disciplined. If you get disciplined, you will make it. Give it a few months, give it a year, give it a few years, but you will make it in life if you are disciplined. That's all I've learned from my whole e-com journey, and even from before that. If you're disciplined, you'll make it. It doesn't matter how long it takes, but you'll make it. Alright, let's have some fun now though, yeah? Why are you in 2 lanes? Holy shit! Bro, this car is fucking insane! Oh my god. And it shoots flames when I shift too, which is just fucking... yeah. Oh my god, the sounds... That's insane. Well guys, I appreciate you all watching. If you made it here to the end, please do like and subscribe. There's gonna be a lot more crazy car content, a little bit of e-com content, and really just any kind of content that you guys want to see in the near future. So I appreciate it. Stay safe. And I'll catch you guys in the... oh shit, I can't turn it off. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.